All right, hey everybody, it's Joe from NCP Outdoors, and for Employee Appreciation Month this year, my company gave us a gift certificate to go out to a particular website and order a particular product, and I ordered two of these water bags. So I wanted to just kind of go over this real quick. I haven't had something like this before, so I figured I'd kind of show it to you real quick. So let me bring the camera in and stay tuned. All right, so I got two of these water bags from this Mountains company, and I guess it's 8 liters or 281 ounces, and I got two of them. It's kind of neat. You have a fill spout here, right? You unscrew this. I filled it with water for today, and then it has this spout that you can put on right here. I screw this piece in, and then you pull off this piece right here, and then just go ahead and you turn this knob, and the water comes draining out. So this is actually a pretty cool little piece of gear. I don't have anything like this when I go camping. I don't have any automatic kind of those plug-in freezers now like Dometic and some of those other companies make. I don't have any of that stuff or any kind of way to store water other than either I bring bottled water, or my buddy Brody has these two giant blue containers when we camping to fill our bucket when we take showers and stuff on the other side of the property there. But for being able to have some of this type of water, just to be able to have these refillable bags, is actually pretty cool, because sometimes you can buy those plastic ones from Walmart with the spout or whatever. That's a cheap option, but now with these bags I can just fill it up and bring it with me when I need to. So for today, when I'm going to do my cooking videos, now I have a bunch of water that I can just kind of drain out, generally for washing, cleaning, and for cooking. So this actually works out pretty well. On the back, it does have some like safe materials. It says, we aim to provide an environmentally safe option for carrying drinks, utilizing flexible and durable PET plus PA plus PE plastic material, 100% BPA free and non-toxic. Temperatures from 32 degrees Fahrenheit to 140 Fahrenheit. Perfect for car emergencies and natural disasters like hurricanes, tornadoes, earthquakes, and floods. Fold it up after fully drying, and well store it when not in use. And yeah, and that's the cool part. Like once you get out all the water and it dries, it can just fold up. So you just got to make sure it dries out so you don't get any bacteria or mold building up in it, obviously. And it says here, this container can be used as carrying bag for other beverages such as milk, juice, and wine. I'm not going to put milk or juice or wine in here. It's mostly going to be just for water. But I thought this was a really cool piece of gear that I could take on these trips, and then when I take it home and it dries out, I fold it up nice and neat and done. Stays out of the way, easy storage. So anyway, just thought I'd share this little piece of gear that I got. I'm going to use it today in my cooking video when I get set up. And thanks for watching, and we'll have another video for you soon. Take care. Thanks for watching NCP Outdoors, camping, fishing, and hunting adventures.